Good morning. Ay, wait lang, magtatanong lang ako. Hey guys, shit, sobrang pangit na experience ng umaga namin kasi may tumalon doon sa may building, doon sa may papunta sa may swimming pool, and kita talaga yung ulo. Grabe grabe yung itsura ng ano. Ito na nga pala yung mga pulis na pumunta doon sa tumalon doon sa may building. Ayun sila. Yan yung mga pulis na pumunta dun sa may tumalon na ano na tao. Tapos kita yung utak. Grabe. Ay, ito na dito sila susundin. Kasi sabi dito, uso daw dito yung suicidal o yung mga nagsusuicide. Kaya baka nagsuicide yun. Hindi namin alam yung kwento. Pero nasa same floor lang namin. Dito na kami.
Please stand back from the train doors.
Hello guys, magi-start na yung tour namin dito sa may GL tour. Dito siya sa sa club ko lang siya na book. So I think 3,000 pesos yung price niya each. So ayun, tatlo kami. So ito yung pinakauna, and aakit daw kami sa pinakataas. So andito na kami guys. Yes, this is the big drum. Kami sa may Peak Tower yan. Peak Tower. Sa Peak Tower. Welcome to the Peak Tower. The new shop is coming. May mga bilihan na palang pasalubong dito. Bilihan ng mga souvenirs. Ang pasalubong. Uy, red man. Bibili tayo mamaya red man. Kailangan natin yun. Keychain, right? Keychain, nice. Mamaya, bili tayo niya. Oh, ang daming food. Donut. Sige, bilan niya mamaya. Okay? Okay. Tea house. So, mas marami daw sa taas. Uy, di mo dapat ang setup na gawin. On the top.
All of you lah. Here, the road is called Finlay Road. Okay, this road is called
Finlay Road.
Finlay was the Scottish engineer. He made the first pit trap in the year of 1888. But it was quite a long time ago. Okay, so after he passed away, we named this road in his name.
Alright.
Finlay was a Scottish engineer. He made the
Scottish?
Scottish. Right?
Scottish.
He made the first pit trap.
Alright.
Okay, we go this way.
Okay.
Come this way. Now look at the opposite side. That is. Now we are in Hong Kong Island. This is Hong Kong Island. Okay. Opposite side is Kowloon Peninsula. Kowloon Peninsula. So the direction is like this: north, east, south, and west. Okay. Now look at the highest building over there. That is the highest building in Hong Kong. The name is called International Commerce Center (ICC), and the height is 484 meter, 484. So this is the highest building in Hong Kong with 180 floors, 118 floors. Okay, the highest one. So this one is the second highest one. The height is 420, 420 meter, 484 and 420, and with 88 floors, 118 and 88. Okay, you can imagine the number 8 is very important for Chinese people.
Absolutely.
They like number 8. It sounds to get wealthy, get more money. Okay, so they like number
So
8
it's gotta
very
have
much.
an 8.
They don't like number 4.
4.
Sounds too ooh.
Ah.
Okay, so that's why they don't like number 4.
No.
Sometimes some.
Balik na kami guys. And this is the end. Pabalik na kami. We're going back.